VackerGlobal provides disinfection ozone that effectively fights with viruses without chemicals. Ozone not only protects against odor molecules but destroys viruses and bacteria efficiently. Ozone generators can decontaminate whole rooms rapidly, as their gas flow enters areas that are not frequently reached by mechanical cleaning. It saves on working costs and speeds reactions, perfect for bus and train applications, cruise lines, offices, doctor's office waiting rooms, fitness centers, and many other places. Some of these places where the ozone generators can be used: ozone disinfection of buses and trains. Bus stop rails, seats, and windows are touched by different people every day. Even people infected with viruses, norovirus, influenza virus, SARS virus, or coronavirus, COVID-19, can spread infectious pathogens in their environment by simply touching things or by emitting the smallest virus-containing droplets inside the vehicles. Trotec brings the AirOzone series battles and protects guests successfully against viruses and bacteria in the buses and trains. Without the use of chemical agents, the AirOzone ozone generators remove bacteria and viruses. 1. Unpleasant odors in the room air, in seat fabrics, upholstery, or curtains. 2. Bacteria. 3. Viruses. 4. Spores. The AirOzone advantages. Ozonizations for buses and trains. 1. Does not include staff during disinfection, e.g. overnight. 2. Suitable even for unexpected quick use. 3. Works even in areas that are hard to enter and sometimes cannot be reached by methods of mechanical cleaning. 4. Residue-free chemical disinfection. Ozone is the world's second strongest disinfectant and is capable of eliminating bacteria, viruses, gases, and toxins. The AirOzone mobile ozone generators produce highly effective ozone levels from oxygen in room air. Medical practices and authorities germ and virus-free thanks to ozone. Door handles, coat hooks, and the popular magazines in waiting rooms of doctors' offices are touched by many people every day. The risk of contamination with harmful pathogens is therefore correspondingly high. Trotec brings you the disinfection of air and surfaces using ozone. Because of its toxic effect, ozone can be used effectively in the fight against viruses, bacteria, germs, and dangerous microorganisms. It has been established that ozone can also be used to damage this virus. It has a very powerful virus-killing effect and disappears completely after the job is done. The AirOzone 10,000 and AirOzone Supercracker powerful ozone generators of Trotec provide a time-saving choice for doctors and local authorities to effectively and particularly to thoroughly disinfect. Simply switch the equipment on during breaks and the disinfectant practically takes place by itself. The portable AirOzone ozone devices are compact design and lightweight, easy to transportation, and easy to use. The units deliver very effective dose ozone in a very short time, with approximately 10,000 milligrams of ozone per hour and an airflow rate of 340 m3H for AirOzone 10,000 and approximately 10,000 milligrams ozone per hour at an airflow rate of 500 m3H. This makes it possible to perform even extensive disinfection work fast. Germ and virus-free workout equipment in fitness studios and therapy rooms. Every day when you visit the gym, the pathogenic viruses, bacteria, and germs are exercising with you. Appliances, handles, and surfaces are not routinely and hygienically disinfected. There is a danger that noxious germs are first transferred to the hands during training and then transmitted to the mouth unnoticed. Many studies have shown that, for example, neuroviruses and coronaviruses can live up to 72 hours on stainless steel surfaces and remain infectious. Therefore, all training centers, training rooms, therapy rooms, sanitary installations, and change rooms must be cleaned and disinfected regularly. The powerful ozone generators of the AirOzone series allow medical staff, physiotherapists, and osteopaths to disinfect the time and cost-saving visitors, patients, and staff of all the rooms and equipment that is as advanced as possible. The supercracker ozone generators Aerozone 10,000 and Aerozone clean the gym at any time of day and night without any staff. A large-scale disinfection is possible at 10,000 milligrams per hour with a high ozone production of Aerozone 10,000 and the Aerozone supercracker 10,000 milligram per hour. The rooms can be used again practically immediately after treatment. Germ and virus-free shopping in supermarkets, drugstores, and pharmacies. Everyone carries invisible germs. Most of them are harmless and some are harmful. Seasonal flu epidemics, molds, and bacterial pathogens present supermarkets, pharmacies, and drugstores with a number of challenges. Day after day, hundreds of hands reach for a shopping cart or basket, which makes it easy to transfer the virus indirectly. Germ-free shopping area, VO, Trotec offers a solution that is just as efficient, time-saving to meet the needs of successful surface disinfection even in crisis situations, with strong ozone generators from the Aerozone series. Disinfection Professional, VO, compact dimensions of the ozone generators Aerozone 10,000 and Aerozone Supercracker can be used flexibly. The large-size disinfection work can be carried out before or after shop operating hours with an ozone production of 10,000 milligrams per hour for the Aerozone 10,000 and 10,000 milligrams per hour for the Aerozone Supercracker. The generators use only usable air in the room during the ozonation process, but without the addition of dangerous or costly chemicals. Harmless for the assortment of goods, open food, and stock, VO-ozonation can be used in almost any setting by dispensing with chemicals. Items like salads, fruits, or vegetables, such as fungal spores and microorganisms, are treated with ozone water in the food industry. Saves time and does not require additional personnel. VO ozone treatment provides a range of benefits in contrast to labor and staff-intensive spray and wipe disinfection. The disinfection time can be reduced considerably in comparison to the mechanical cleaning process by use of an Aerozone 10,000 or Aerozone Supercracker mobile and can be done before or after shop opening time and without staff requirements. The Aerozone ozone generator can be handled with consistent high thoroughness even through areas which are often overlooked in wipe disinfection. The benefits of ozone-ozonation. 1. Residue-free decontamination. 2. No personnel and no expensive chemicals for disinfection. 3. Also suitable for unplanned rapid deployment. 4. Reduces disinfection times considerably. 5. Neutralization of unpleasant odors. 6. Reliably kills human pathogenic viruses and bacteria. 7. Effective against viruses, bacteria, spores, germs, and microorganisms. 8. Comprehensive control, even in places difficult to access. 9. Faster and more efficient than mechanical cleaning methods. 10. Disinfected sales areas can be used again quickly. VackerGlobal offers innovative disinfection solutions, which works not only against odor molecules but also effectively kills viruses and bacteria. VackerGlobal is a group of companies that is involved in industrial, process, and PLC automation, temperature and humidity management solutions, and engineering solutions. We have been supplying commercial dehumidifiers, air cleaners, basement dehumidifiers, etc. for commercial and industrial applications. For detailed information and warranty, please contact our sales office at sales.en@vackerglobal.com. Visit our website www.vackerglobal.com.